I'm about to confess something to you that I have not told another living soul in nearly 6 months. This is a secret that I thought I would take to my grave. And yet, for my own sanity and for my health, I thought it would be best if I just get it out in the open. Even if this does change your opinion of me, I only ask that you try to understand my perspective, my side of the story. So without further delay, Lixian, please cut to camera B. You're thinking, oh, this is just a joke. Oh, it's clickbait. Oh, this is just a silly thing that Mark's doing. No. No. This has been a curse on my life for the past 6 months. And I mean that with sincerity. I meant to do this video, this fun little video that other people have done. Oh, a Pop-Tart review. I'll get a whole bunch of different flavors of Pop-Tart and I'll review them. It has not gone that way. There's many things that I need to get through to get this understood properly. So please jot these down. If you are not, please do. This is important. Number 1. I asked Evan, oh, sweet, delightful Evan. Lixian, put up a picture of Evan. Oh, Evan. I asked Evan to get an assortment of flavors off Amazon. I told him very specifically there was no rush whenever he got them. Evan, being the constant overachiever that he is, decided that he needed to get only the ones that were available next day. Which apparently the ones that were available next day were giant boxes of the same flavor. I haven't had time to film the video because I've been so busy, and so now I'm finally doing it, but then it got so bad, and then everything was snowballing, and then I just kept eating some more, and then I was like, oh, do I need to buy more Pop-Tarts because I ate these? And then, I tried to... It's been a tough time for me to get this video out the door, so I'm doing it now so that I can end the curse. But Alex, understand that this whole video is about doing a taste test of Pop-Tarts, which means that I have to eat some of these. So today, my diet is not gonna be so good, but then the curse will be lifted. I haven't had time to film the video because I've been so busy, and so now I'm finally doing it, but then it got so bad, and then everything was snowballing, and then I just kept eating some more, and then I was like, oh, do I need to buy more Pop-Tarts because I ate these? And then, I tried to... It's been a tough time for me to get this video out the door, so I'm doing it now